The VisiQuate Analytics platform ingests, joins, and normalizes data from a huge variety of digital systems across an entire enterprise. We unify data across regions, facilities, departments, and service lines. It's a single source of truth BI solution that tracks everything. I'm going to take you through a demo client that we created called Paradise Health System. Paradise is based on de-identified real data that we get from 3 of the largest healthcare enterprises in the country. You can see they are feeding a broad spectrum of data into VisiQuate. Patient accounts, transactions, third-party credit, employee productivity, financial data, call center logs, quality measures, risk management, and a slew of informational assets. For Paradise, their highest level view is the Key Insights board. It ties together data from all the primary operating areas of their revenue cycle management organization. Here you see all the key top-level performance indicators they need to get a clear view into the operational health of their organization. Cash metrics, accounts receivable, denials, etc. For each metric, they have a current value, updated daily, a goal set by the client, a color-coded variance, and a current trend indicator. Again, this is just an example configuration. Any combination of financial and operational metrics can be added to this view based on client requirements in order to provide broader insight into the organization's performance. With VisiQuate, whenever you see something that you want to look further into, all you need to do is click on it to drill in. In the case of Paradise, you can see that some of the cash KPIs are in trouble. I'm going to drill down to level 2, the cash dashboard, to get a better look. It looks like they're lagging a little behind on year-to-date cash. I'm going to drill into that to see if I can figure out what's going on. So now I'm at the summary report level. I can see here the transactions breakdown for each month. Now I want to apply some different data elements to fill out the picture. On the left side here, I have a huge list of attributes and metrics that I can drop into this report, all different ways that I can slice and dice this year-to-date cash. I'm going to pop in amount as a percent of total to simplify the month-to-month comparison. Pretty clear that January, February, and April were the weak months. I'll bring in facility and see if I can spot some concentration. Definitely Blue Spruce and Pacific Silver were lagging way behind in January. Fortunately, it looks like things have generally been improving since April. Let's drill in even further. Clicking on a cell in a summary report takes me to a detail report. Now I'm at the atomic level. I can see all the discrete items, in this case individual payment transactions, that rolled up to the summary report cell that I just clicked on. VisiQuate joins data longitudinally across systems. In the case of a patient account, that means every piece of data from scheduling the visit to final balance resolution. To get a better look, we can drill to the card view. Now we'll see all the account information, every single charge, transaction, EDI record, and the full history of encounters associated with the medical record number tied to this account. The summary version of the card view shows roll-up totals of the charges, payments, and adjustments, along with a record of every time the account has been touched, whether manually or by an automated system. We see every status change, every updated value, every assignee change, who did it, when, and by how much. Again, all configurable per the client's needs. Now let's say I want to keep a close eye on that Blue Spruce Hospital cash metric. I don't want to come and look at the same report every day, so I'll let the system track it for me with an alert. What I want is to be notified anytime Blue Spruce falls below 3 million. I right-click on this column and create a new alert. I call it Blue Spruce Monthly Cash. Set the threshold at 3 million. I can add another team member to the alert, maybe someone over at Blue Spruce. Then I set a priority and save the alert. You can get pretty fancy combining derived metrics and alerts, but that's a topic for an in-depth video. Essentially, great BI should act as your total data watchdog. When anything gets out of line or even starts trending in a concerning direction, it will let you know. Now that you have the intel, you can begin optimizing your staff's time by transitioning to exception-driven, intelligently prioritized workflows. All the same attributes, metrics, and filtering tools can be used to define and prioritize workflows that push assignments to your staff. This means you can eliminate the wasted effort that gets spent on work that's either non-productive or won't yield more than the cost of your staff's time. You can segment and assign your entire inventory like this. You can even use this to parse out vendor assignments so you can continuously trim off the work that third parties are better suited to handle. That's intelligence-driven workflow management. To add even one more layer of ROI, you need workforce performance analytics. This means knowing which staff members are doing what, how long it takes to achieve resolution, and how many touches it took. View your inventory by assignee or status, and have each staff member individually scored on time and attendance, productivity, and work quality, and ranked against their peers. There are also features that let you coach, motivate, and reward workers fairly and transparently. So besides improving performance, you can also improve morale and retention. That's the power of true enterprise analytics. One single source of truth BI solution that eliminates the silos and enables total visibility with insights that find you. Exception-driven workflows and workforce performance analytics, all delivered as a fully managed, cloud-based service with enterprise security compliance built right in. The future of data-driven business is here. You'll see.